Yo, what's up guys? It's Greg here from Greg's Court, and today is the day, the LA Lakers versus Charlotte. I cannot even say it, right? I cannot even say it because this dog here. Yeah, I love you too, yeah. And another one is coming. Hop. Come on, pretty, stay like, hop. Yeah. What can I say? People loves me, animals loves me. Yeah. Anyway, I was just starting to talk about Luka Doncic coming back to the LA Lakers games without minutes restrictions. I mean, this is the greatest news you can accept right now as an LA Laker fan. But unfortunately, LeBron James is questionable due to his ankle injury. If I'm not mistaken, he felt some discomfort in his foot. And if I'm not mistaken, he said that in the All-Star game. And that's the reason why he did not play at the All-Star weekend. But more of that later. So this is going to be a quick preview before the game versus the Charlotte. A couple of different reasons why so, a couple of different themes to open up and to speak with you. And of course, I would like to invite you to comment down below and let's see what's going to happen in the next few days, because some big things are coming up. So first things first, Luka is ready, no minute restriction. Out is probably, no, is out LeBron James, if not for the one game, maybe even for a 2 game for the second game versus the Portland. Third game, it's going to be special. Why? Because the Charlotte Bobcats couldn't make a trade with the LA Lakers, so Williams, if I'm not mistaken, is going to play versus the Lakers now, and Connect is going to play, and Cam Reddish status is probable or something like that. So this is going to be interesting to see how will these guys react after no trade between those two teams. Also, I will give you my opinion about not playing LeBron in the All-Star weekend. That was kind of weird, wasn't it? Also, we're gonna see what's the schedule on upcoming games for the Dallas Mavericks. It's huge, it's packed, and of course, a week from now, the Dallas Mavericks are coming to Los Angeles to play versus the LA Lakers. This is going to be huge, and I'm so excited, man. Also, at my previous videos, you can see the challenge in practice when Luka Doncic won the half-court shot competition. We're talking about practice? Really? Also, I'll show you some footage when Luka is definitely not around 270 lbs. God damn, they lied in Dallas, they really lied! Anyway, if you're new here or if you like that kind of analysis, make sure to subscribe for more, cause highlights from Luka Doncic are coming, highlights from the NBA, highlights behind the scenes. Comment down below, like this video and subscribe. So, Luka had more free time, more to heal his wounds, 5 or 6 days, another extra time to heal fully or to fully recover. I'm not sure, I would say he's not 100% okay, but it seems to me like he's fine, he's doing okay. I can see that from his smile, from his huge smile from the practice. And this is a good sign, right? Anyway, for LeBron James, they were saying he was not fully participated in the last workout with the LA Lakers, and yeah, we could expect that. We could see some workouts from his home with his daughter, and of course he was not able to play in the All-Star weekend. Yeah, about that. I don't like that personally. That message from LeBron James, I was kind of disturbed. Why? Because I do believe that he could talk to the media, he could talk to the NBA before All-Star weekend, and someone else could fill up his spot, right?
We see from you tonight?
You won't see anything from me tonight. Unfortunately, I will not be in uniform tonight. Still dealing with ankle and foot discomfort, so I will not be playing tonight, unfortunately.
I mean, come on. I think Giannis said that before, that he is not able to play, and I think Trae Young replaced him. I think this kind of PR stuff can be related before the All-Star. That's my opinion. That's not okay. Some people might hate LeBron about that. I was years before, I didn't like the stuff around LeBron off the court. Eventually, I didn't even like the way he played, but right now I'm older, I'm a bit wiser, I respect his game. For me personally, he's the third best player that have ever played. Michael, Kobe, LeBron. And I didn't watch Magic and Larry Bird. I'm too young for that. That's just my opinion. Anyway, I think he could communicate a lot of different things just like that in a bit wiser way. But that's my opinion. What's yours? Make sure to comment down. So a couple of footage showed us that Luka is feeling okay. Couple of three-pointers just made their way on the rim. And this is a good sign, because probably we will see tonight, especially if LeBron is not playing, kind of version that we expect from Luka, that we were supposed to see every single game at the Dallas Mavericks uniform, and we did saw that. Oh yeah. Number one scorer, top 3 assist maker, top, 20 in the rebounds, and a walking triple-double. So this is something I expect from him in the LA Lakers, definitely. And I'm really, really looking forward to see him doing that great stuff in the LA Lakers uniform. That's why they brought him, right? Exactly. And for this thing. But first things first. This game versus the Charlotte will be a great indicator. Where is Luka right now after the injury? If he's 100%, if he's somewhere there. And I'm definitely expecting big things. Also, I'm really, really curious what is going to happen at the center position, because Williams is ready, if I'm not mistaken, at the other hand, and Haynes here with the Lakers is also okay. He got some punch in the face at previous game that Lakers they were blown out by Utah. Ugly loss. Anyway, another week, another game, another opportunities. And also at the Lakers spot, Connect, he'll play as if my infos are correct. Cam Reddish, I don't know, did you see the Cam Reddish footage from the LA Lakers practice before? We're talking about practice again? Yes, we are. Anyway, he's like a monster 1-on-1 player, right? But you have to translate this into a 5-on-5. Otherwise, you're like Cam Reddish, the 7th, 8th, 9th player on the squad. Check out this. Just take a minute, and not even a minute, and look what he did in the 1-on-1 challenge in the practice. Wow, what a player, right? Talking about schedule. Oh, holy smoke, it's going to be packed, man. Wednesday, Hornets Lakers. We already talked about that. Thursday, Lakers versus Trailblazers. Saturday, Lakers versus Nuggets. And just after that, Dallas. No. Lakers versus Dallas in Los Angeles. And as I said before, few highlights are coming at my channel Greg's Court. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and you will get them. I usually post up some special plays, some great passes, some great dunks, or something interacting with Luka Doncic, of course, and full highlights, of course. Probably some analysis after the game or before like that. So, did I miss something? Maybe that mural with Kobe and Luka. This is amazing, Los Angeles. This is great. Absolutely great. Anyway, make sure to comment down below what do you think about these things I was talking about. What do you think, who's going to win? How Luka will perform at the very next game versus the Charlotte? And stick with me at the Rex Court. Till next time, be good, be fine, LA Lakers nations. Let's go Lakers, let's go Luka Doncic. Bye.